Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to let your employees post on the company feed. By letting your employees post on the company feed, they can share important updates, photos, and insights directly with their colleagues, creating a more connected and engaged workplace where everyone's voice is heard. First, head to Update Settings and select the User Posts tab. Here, toggle on Allow selected users to share posts. Now, let's set up the posting limitations. Start with who can share posts. Select a smart group or select individual users. Next, if the feed topics are enabled, you can choose which topics the users can post about. Finally, choose who can see their posts. You can select all users or specific users based on their user profile fields, like location, department, or manager. Finally, let's look at what it looks like when a user creates a post. Here, users can type and design their posts in the bar within the feed or feed topics. For further assistance, feel free to use our Help Center anytime.